Hello students, welcome to online classes of geography of class 8. Now you all will be thinking what ma'am is focusing on. Now here you can see there are various things kept on a tray. These are two rocks. This is gold bangle. This is a pencil with sharpened pencil. Okay. This is a nut. This is talcum powder. This is talcum powder. This is a bronze plate. This is salt. This is salt. Aluminium plate and some pieces of coal. Some pieces of coal. So hopefully by seeing all these, it is there in your mind that today I am going to discuss about the chapter that is mineral and power resources. Okay. Now when I use the term mineral resources, this is not the first time you are listening to this term mineral resources. You know the types of the mineral resources. Now here, this is one which is a nut. This is another one which is gold bangle, bronze plate, aluminium plate. And there are some others like talc, coal, salt. Now what does this indicate? That minerals are of two types. Metallic minerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are metallic minerals, and 1, 2, 3, these are non-metallic mineral. And this one comes under the category of energy resource or power resource. Now under the metallic mineral, we are having some other categories. The one which is having a content of iron, that is ferrous, and the one which does not contain iron, that is non-ferrous. Now I am just doing one experiment. You just see, this is a nut and this is a magnet. I am just keeping the nut over here. Here you can see I am keeping the nut over here. The magnet got attached with this nut. Got it? I am doing it once again. See, it got attached with it. Done? Now I am just using this magnet with the other metals too. This is gold. You can see there is no attachment. It's just coming out. This is bronze. See, it's falling down. There is no attraction. This is aluminium. Again, you can see there is no attraction. It's just coming down. So what does this indicate? The one which is having the attraction, this is getting attracted with this magnet, this content iron. So this is ferrous mineral. And the one which does not have any connectivity with this magnet, that means there is no attraction with the magnet, these are non-ferrous mineral that does not contain iron. So we got some minerals, like I said, metallic minerals. These are metallic minerals. These are non-metallic mineral. This is graphite. This is graphite. Okay, the lead of your pencil is graphite. So it is non-metallic mineral. Now within the metallic mineral, we are having ferrous mineral and the non-ferrous minerals. Okay. Now here we got another two categories of the mineral. Now coal, you all know coal is formed due to the decomposition of the plant kingdom, and here I cannot show the petroleum. Even the petroleum is due to the decomposition of the animals. So these are organic minerals. these are organic minerals, but all these are inorganic minerals. Okay, all these are inorganic minerals. So here we got some categories of the mineral, some types of the mineral. What is it? First, metallic, non-metallic. Second, ferrous, non-ferrous. And third, organic and inorganic. Okay. Now let us move to the next part. Let us move to the next part, that is, from where do we get the mineral? We get the minerals from the rocks. Okay. We get the minerals from the rocks. So now we will just make a difference between rocks and mineral. So what is the basic difference between a rock and a mineral? Now rocks are heterogeneous and minerals are homogeneous. Hetero means various, homo means one, unique. Okay. So rocks are rocks are multiple, or it is having lots of variety, and minerals are having, it's just a unique, it's a single, having its composition is of one single, or is just a combination of a single element, but we term it, of that same element, we term it as a homogeneous mineral. Now rocks do not have any definite chemical composition. Rocks do not have any definite chemical composition, but minerals are having a definite chemical composition. Rocks are irregular in structure. Rocks are irregular in structure. They do not possess a definite shape. Okay. But minerals are having a definite structure. Either they are cuboid, or they are hexagonal, or they are prismatic, triangular in structure. So they are having a definite structure. Now rocks are of multiple color. Within a single rock you can find out there are tinges of various colors, so considered as of multiple color. But if we see the minerals are of single color. Okay. Now next, the types of the rocks. There are three types of the rocks: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. But there are 8 groups of minerals. Now I am just naming the 8 groups of mineral. Number 1 is phosphate, number 2 carbonates, number 3 halides, number 4 sulfates, number 5 sulfides, number 6 oxide, number 7 silicates, and lastly native elements. Okay. Now please just don't ask about all these, because it is a part of a chemistry. I just mentioned the names of all the groups of the mineral. Now next, rocks contains fossils. We all know rock contains fossil, but mineral does not contains fossil. Okay. Though we get the minerals from the rocks, but it does not contains fossil. Now the next point of difference. So from where do we get the rocks? We get the rocks from the crustal part of the earth. And from where do we get the minerals? It is there within the rocks. Okay, it is there within the rocks. Now the one who proceed with the study of the rock, that is termed as petrology. That is termed as petrology. And the one who study about the mineral, it is termed as mineralogy. It is termed as mineralogy. So these are the 8 points of differences between rocks and mineral. Now we will move to the definition of mineral. What is a mineral? So already we discussed about the difference between the rock and mineral. The definition is: a mineral is a naturally occurring homogeneous solid substance, okay, that is having a definite chemical composition and a proper physical structure. Proper physical structure means where the atomic arrangement is proper, it is particularly having a definite order, and which can be organic or inorganic. Okay, Basically minerals are inorganic, but energy resources are organic. Now next we will move to the part that from where do we get the minerals. Actually, from where do we get the minerals? Now minerals, we used to extract out the minerals, or we get the minerals, or minerals are usually found in ore. Now what is actually termed as ore? Ore is actually in every type of rock. When a large quantity of minerals are present, such rocks are called ores. Okay? Ore is a natural rock or sediment that contains one or more valuable minerals, having a typical metal that can be mined, treated and solid at a that can be mined, treated and that can be mined. Okay? So what is ore? Ore is a particular type of a rock where mineral content is there in a quite a what we can say in a more volume, quite more volume or a large volume or in a large quantity, then that particular rock is considered as a ore of that mineral. Now here you can see I have given a picture of 3 ores. I have given a picture of 3 ores. This is magnetite, that is an ore of an iron. This is bauxite, which is an ore of aluminium, and this is basically ore of mica, muscovite. It is muscovite. So the pictures of the 3 ores are given over here. So from where do we get the mineral? We get the minerals from the ore. Now let us move to the next part. Now minerals are very much indispensable for our life. It is very much important for our life. So the importance of the mineral can be considered or can be divided under 2 headings. Number 1 is the economic importance, and next one is the related to human importance. Now let us proceed with the economic importance of the mineral. Now have you ever thought of it? Your day begins with what? It begins with a toothbrush and a toothpaste. So the toothbrush and the toothpaste is also having mineral, and your day ends with by switching off the light. So when you are switching off the lights, there also mineral is there. So our entire day-to-day life depends upon mineral, and all the needs that we gather from various sources, that is also having the mineral utility. So whether it is construction, whether it is utensils, whether it is machinery and other activities, the mineral is very much important. It is also there to use for making acids, for chlorine, for mineral water, for photography, for various medicinal purposes. Now minerals are considered basically the heart of industry. If there is no mineral, then there is no industries to be developed. It is source of foreign exchange. The maximum the production we are able to produce in the industry, after fulfilling our internal demand, the surplus can be sold out in the international market. So it helps to earn foreign exchange, and when we are there to earn foreign exchange, then what is the resultant? It accelerates our rate of economic development. So it is also considered as a symbol of development. So these are the economic importance of mineral. Now just quickly look into the importance of the mineral for the human. Now I am just giving one fact that lots of food stuff that we take for an entire day, 99% of the food stuff that we are taking, within that, if there is no intake of 1% of the mineral, then your entire life cannot be there for a smooth order. That means you cannot live a healthy life. So that 1% mineral intake is very much needed to just support 99% of the food stuff intake. Now why it is so? Because I am just explaining it by using some minerals which is there to that is build up our entire body. Number one, calcium is there for formation of bones and teeth. Magnesium is there for the metabolic enzymes. Oxygen, transportation of oxygen, for that iron is very much needed. Potassium is needed to regulate our heartbeat and for our that is membrane potential. Then it is there that is to boost our body we need zinc. Then chloride is needed to that is for the produce hydrochloric acids in the stomach. Okay, and iodine is there to produce hormones. Okay, so though it is not a biology class, but I have tried little bit to give you bit information about these minerals that helps our human body for its survival. So I said that if 1% of the mineral intake is not there, then it is very difficult to lead a healthy life. Now let us move to the next part, general characteristics of the mineral. Now general characteristics of the mineral, what are the general characteristics? Most of the minerals are exhaustible in nature. It is one of the very specific characteristic of a mineral, exhaustible in nature. Now have you ever thought that the mineral that is present in a particular place, the same type of mineral is found in the other areas also? No. Everywhere we can find out that there is a diversity of the accumulation of the minerals. So what is the second characteristics? They are unevenly distributed over the earth's surface. Now in the beginning only I said where a rock which is having a more content of the mineral, that is considered as ore, and ore is not a purified form of a mineral, it is impure, it is mixed up with impurities. So minerals are always mixed up with impurities, then we have to purify it through various processes. Now the last is inverse relationship between quality and quantity. Now this one I am explaining it by giving one example that is there in this picture. You can see this is a picture of a diamond and this is a picture of a coal. Now the diamond and coal are having the common mineral, that is the composition, that is of carbon, isn't it? It is of carbon. Now when the both is a part of a carbon, it is the inferior part of the carbon, this is the superior part of the carbon. Now we can find out abundance of coal present on the earth's surface, means within the crustal part. So what does this indicate? That inferior quality of the mineral are found in abundance and superior quality of the mineral are found in less quantity. So there is an inverse relationship or just a reverse relationship between the quality and the quantity of the mineral. So these are basically the general characteristics of the mineral. Now next, classification of mineral. The last topic for today, classification of minerals. Now minerals are classified into basically three categories: metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral and energy mineral. Okay. Now metallic minerals are further divided into three: ferrous, non-ferrous and precious. Ferrous is basically, I have shown that nut that is ferrous. Non-ferrous, the one I have shown the. Now once again I am just showing the classification of the minerals with these things that I have already displayed beforehand. Now the three are: number one, metallic. You can see all these are metallic minerals. Number two, non-metallic. These are non-metallic minerals. And number three, energy resource. This is energy resource. Okay. Now metallic mineral is further divided into three: ferrous. This is ferrous mineral. Because why it is so? Just see, it got attached with this magnet, and the magnet gets the connection, that is the attraction, whenever there is a ferrous content within that mineral. And the non-metallic minerals, these are the not non-metallic, non-ferrous mineral where there is no content of iron, and this is gold bangle. It is considered, it is metallic, but it is considered as a precious mineral. Okay. Now one classification is not mentioned over here, that is, I said organic and inorganic. This is organic mineral, and though it is considered as a power resource, but it is a mineral, it is organic mineral, and these are inorganic mineral. Okay. So hopefully the classification is clear to each and every student. Now I have given some question based upon this. Differentiate between organic and inorganic mineral. Now what will be the basic difference? Organic mineral is formed due to the decomposition of the that is the plant and the animal, that is after the decaying part of the plant and the animal kingdom, the organic minerals are formed, and inorganic minerals are formed due to various other geological processes, like due to tectonic movements, due to volcanic eruptions, due to earthquake. So other minerals are formed due to other geological processes. What will be the second point of difference? Organic minerals are found within the sedimentary tract. Inorganic minerals are found with the igneous and metamorphic rocks. Organic minerals are found in the sedimentary rocks, and inorganic minerals are found in the metamorphic and igneous rock. The metamorphic, which has been transformed from the igneous structure. Okay. And what will be the third point of difference? Organic minerals are basically there to generate out the energy. Organic minerals helps to generate out power resources, but from the inorganic minerals, it is there to use it in the industry to produce some tangible products. It does not generate out energy, rather it used to produce some tangible products. Okay. There are many more differences, like organic minerals are basically solid and liquid in nature, and inorganic minerals are always solid in nature. Okay. Organic minerals, we can find out that what we can say, comparatively they are not having so higher density compared to the inorganic minerals. Organic minerals, their density is comparatively less, and inorganic minerals, the density is more. Okay. Now there are some exceptions for the inorganic mineral, like the density of the talc, density of the salt, potash, gypsum. Their density will be comparatively less, because those are powder, or those are basically soft like structure. Now another thing is these inorganic minerals. I said that organic minerals are there for the sedimentary structure, but specifically the minerals that I mentioned, like salt, potash, gypsum, these are found in the sedimentary track. So there are some exceptions everywhere. So hopefully the difference between organic and inorganic mineral is clear to everybody. Now let us move to metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals that contain metal, non-metallic mineral that does not contain metal. Metallic minerals are basically having ductility and more strength but malleable, and non-metallic are not ductile neither malleable. And metallic minerals are found in the igneous structure, non-metallic minerals are found in the that is sedimentary structure. Ferrous, non-ferrous. The one which has the iron content is ferrous, the one which does not have the iron content is the non-ferrous. The one which is having that iron content, that is the ferrous one, is much more harder in structure compared to the non-ferrous one. And number 3, the ferrous minerals are corrosion, it is prone to corrosion, but non-ferrous, it is resistant to corrosion. Okay, and you know the examples, iron, and I have shown all the minerals in this order within my displaying of the video. So hopefully the answer you will be able to write by following the video. I have discussed every point for explaining all the 3 differences that I have given under this worksheet, and still if you are having any doubts, just mention it in the comment section, and thank you for following my today's class. Have a nice day.